today, this is my outfit. A very, very simple one. Again, I don't know what's this called, but this is my pants. I got this from 138, and this one is from NEQILLA, I guess, or GU, I forgot. But this is just an only simple t-shirt, and of course match, and this. So the same sandals that I have, guys. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. Bye! Hey friends, good morning. So we are on our way. We need to go na bypader. Bye. Kasi we need to go to school. 8:30 or 8:15 yung registration. Sorry if the car is loud. Wow, my face looks so red. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we're ready. Hi ba. Ohayo. Ohayo. Bye, Padar. Yeah. So, ang init na. It's still 8 o'clock, guys, but it's so hot already. Ang bilis naman. I wanted it to stay chilly, but usually here in the Philippines we don't get chilly mornings when it's already 8. It's usually up to 6 o'clock lang. So yun. So alis na muna kami, guys, and I will see you later. And so we're here na. Nandito kami sa cultural center nila. We're just still waiting. 8:30 pa kasi mag-start yung program. Ito, I don't know. They will be talking about cyberbullying, war on drugs, o Christmas party.
Ay, Christmas party?
Christian parenting pala. I thought it was Christmas party. I'm so sorry, guys, kasi I'm not wearing my glasses and I cannot see. What?
Unable to see.
Yes, I forgot to bring my glasses. I don't feel like wearing glasses today, so it's so hard to read. So yun. So magsa-start, they will be starting 8:30 and ends at 12 noon. Sana may snacks, no? Diba? So Sashi and Baba is there because they also have a practice today. So they will be dismissed at 12 noon too. So ano lang, timing lang din na the same time lang din matatapos yung dito tsaka yung practice nila. So yun, after this I'm so hungry, but still early.
Wanna eat?
No, I don't wanna eat, later na. So mga yung kasi mga lunchtime na. Where are we going to eat? Ang ingay naman. Later na lang tayo magchika-chika, guys, kasi medyo maingay dito. Okay? See you later.
Ang sogate parents, di nakita mo ilang ginikanan ang social media na kung unsay dictates and the brainwashing and the programming of the mass media muna gituan sa mga anak. So ako na yung experience, 25.
Do we really know how to deal with the situation if maabot sa punto nga nagduda na ta? So before I came here, I actually browsed through some stuff.
Natapos na din yung ano sa tawag ato what's that called? Forum or unsa na? Basta yung event doon sa school nila Sashi, and we are heading somewhere to eat kasi lunchtime na. So already 12:30, guys. Maybe we'll just eat, I don't know where. Basta tingnan lang natin. And si Baba nandito. She's here na. She's tired too, guys. They also wanna practice. So yun. And my guwapo nga driver. Yeah. My driver pa, my lover pa. Grabe. Ano na naman, makulimlim naman sa labas, tapos ang init, maalinsangan. It's humid, so humid. I'm so hungry already na. yung binigay na snack kanina doon sa sa yung parang seminar or forum doon sa school. Supposedly one parent lang. Then dalawa kasi kaming umattend, kaya dalawa din yung binigay. And I was so hungry kaya kinain ko. Thanks to the snack. So right now we are going to eat lunch na finally. Nandito kami sa Robinson Cybergate because ito yung pinakamalapit. I don't know. I'm so sorry guys if maingay, pero dito na muna kami magla-lunch kasi ito yung pinakamalapit. Tapos babalikan pa namin si ate doon sa school. So I'm here with Baba and Rookie is buying siomai because we wanted siomai. We want to eat siomai. What's with the face? She wanted to play Roblox but hindi siya pwede sa Roblox. More food. Dunkin', my favorite. Mama is having mission. Oh, you can see my armpit. Ba? Iba.
Child. There.
Bahay na kami. I'm so sleepy na. We waited for ate like 2 hours. Yeah, we waited doon sa and finally we're home. And wala pa rin kaming tubig. This morning meron konti, but nung naligo ako wala nang tubig, and up to now wala pa rin tubig guys. Pagbukas ko ng faucet, no water. Wala man lang pasabi na wala palang tubig today. May pasalubong pala kami kay Anma guys. Anma is mother. Yes. Anma yung tawag ng mga bata sa kanya because when they were little, they teach mother teach them to call them grandma, but since they don't know how to talk that well yet, so they always say Anma, especially Sashi. She said instead of saying grandma, she said Anma. So when they grew up, so yun na yung nakasanayan nila na grandma. So bibigyan lang natin kay Anma guys.
They're real.
Mother, what are you doing? Oh, pasalubong. What are you doing?
Ha? Nag-cleaning.
Tingnan nyo guys, everyday siya nag-cutics. Oh my god. Wala na, mauubos na yan kuko mo, mother. Ganda sa labas. Umulan kanina. Hindi umulan, ma? Malakas yung ulan sa may seaside. Dun lang sa may bahay. Yeah, sa likuran, guys. Doon lang. Pero dito sa amin, ang ganda, diba? Hindi man lang umulan. But doon sa kabila, nung malapit sa seaside, ang lakas ng ulan. Nandun lang sa kabila yung seaside. Tapos may nagbabasketball doon. Hapon na guys, it's already 4:30 in the afternoon. It's been a while since I've stayed here. Uy, nandun sa baba si Ben. Oo nga, yung tingnan nyo guys, I'm gonna show you our calamansi. Marami ng bunga. Oh. Yan. Diba? But it's so funny kasi yung mga bunga nila nasa nasa tuktok ng bundok. Hindi mo marireach kasi, diba? Let me show you. I'm gonna flip the screen. Yan nyo. Nakikita nyo ba yun guys? Tapos, nandun yung baba. Diba? Ang taas-taas. Paano namin makukuha yung mga bunga? Pero there are a lot of roots dito sa taas niya. I don't know why. Yan. Medyo marami na sila. And we were waiting for the lanzones to, we also have lanzones. This is lanzones. We were waiting for this one na magkabunga din. Yan. Doon yung bayabas, marami na ding bunga. Pero yung kalamansi, oh. Wow. And so, gabi na. Oh, why you have your drinks there? So, I'm just going to check kung may tubig na ba kami. Kasi, gabi na guys. It's 6 na. And, I don't know kung may tubig na ba. Hala. Oh gosh, wala pa rin. Bad news! Wala pa rin. I don't know if kung meron na... Usually, it comes back at midnight, but I'm not sure kung babalik siya by midnight. We were planning to attend a mass early tomorrow. And we need to... What's that? We need to take a shower early. I don't know if the water is going to be back. Baba's already awake. Good morning, Ba. She took a nap, so I guess I will be calling a night na guys. I'll be calling it a night, and yeah, kasi I wanted to rest and I wanted to also clean my face na para makatulog na maaga. So, thank you so much for watching, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that well. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!